it's a very, very sad day for my Bluepoint wheel socket, as that's just happened. So, you know, guys, it does pay to have half decent sockets every so often. Yes, I'm a bit disappointed. I've had it a while, to be fair. It's had so much abuse. Look how thin it's got. But all I have to do is give that back to my Snap-on dealer, and they'll give me another one, because, you know, lifetime warranty. So, guys, if you buy cheap, you buy twice, but make sure that you've got some half decent warranty on your tools, because that, although in a normal circumstance I'd be pretty pissed off, you know, I'll just give it back to them and get another one. But they do get a lot of hammer, particularly working for Volkswagen. Your 17mm gets butchered. Pretty much everything is a 17mm wheel wise, and it does come with this handy dandy cap as well, which stops you damaging wheels. Which, again, now it don't fit because I've splayed it open with a big dusty crack. So guys, invest in your tools, because yeah, they're going to help you do your job. Simple as that, guys. Love you, bye.